Present out here. I, Anshika, representing Ruby House, is here to recite a poem. The title of the poem is The Velveteen Rabbit by Margaret Williams. What is real? Asked the rabbit one day, when they were lying side by side near the nursery fender. Banana came to tidy the room. Does it mean having things that buzz inside you and a stick-out handle? Real isn't how you're made, said the skin horse. It's a thing that happens to you when a child loves you for a long, long time. Not just to play with, but really loves you. Then you become real. Does it hurt? Asked the rabbit. Sometimes, said the skin horse, for he was always truthful. When you are real, you don't mind being hurt. Doesn't happen all at once, like being wound up? He asked, or bit by bit. It doesn't happen all at once, said the skin horse. It takes a long time. That's why it doesn't often happen to people who break easily, or have sharp edges, or who have to be carefully kept. Generally, by the time you are real, most of your hair has been loved up and your eyes drop out and you get loose in your joints and very shabby. But these things don't matter at all because once you're real, you can be ugly, except to people who don't understand. Thank you. everyone.